Hello, Cinoart fans. It's Mark. Welcome to Cinoart Academy. From this series of videos, I walk you through how to manipulate Cinoart Pro step by step. After you unpackage, the first thing you need to do is remove the screw at the back end of your printer. This screw is for protecting your Cinoart Pro during transport. We don't need it for now. You can put it in the hidden place of the printer in case you're gonna need it later. You will get one user manual. It's going to be convenient when you want to search for something fast. A power adapter. A cap mat. You can put it in the groove. This cap mat could help you clean the lifter easily. But the most important thing is with this cap mat, you can always put your coffee at the center position. A food-grade coffee printer cartridge. We will introduce more in a later lecture. And a set of tongs. Alright then, I'll see you in the next video talk. See you.